Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark II, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. It's fairly simple. I'm going to lock the device. What you want to do is take out the tray, which is right over here. Now it's a toolless one, so you don't need anything. You can just use your fingernail to pull it out, as you can see. And from here you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now I'm going to occupy one of each, but if you wish to use, for instance, a secondary SIM, you would place it on the SD tray, like so. So I'm going to move it over. Now, as you can see, there is also a little bit of a force to it, so the cards won't actually fall out. So that's actually a really nice touch here. There we go. So once you place them in, make sure that they're laying flush. They should not fall out, as you can see. And from there, simply insert it back into the device. I believe it will restart, but we'll see. It looks like it's not restarting, so that's nice. So it looks like with this one, we don't finally need to restart our devices after inserting SIM, so that's super nice. And obviously, based on the pin that I needed to insert, the SIM card is working. And let's go quickly to the settings under storage, so you can see there's also the SD card, and that is how you would insert. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.